Hi everyone, I'm Valiant Z. Today is Friday. Let me take you on a tour of one of our ongoing projects in Akure, Ondo State Capital. Today, we started our first floor block work, and as you can see, I came to inspect the work. Don't mind my native attire. Today is Friday, and I'm a Yoruba man. You can see all the block works are neatly done. Among many technicalities to observe, the reinforcement bar from the column must align with the ground column. Also, over there, our concealed plumbing system, you can see, that is it. This project is still ongoing. I will keep you posted. This building is to serve commercial purpose, for retail and also warehouse. But let me keep that for another time. Enjoy your weekend. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment.